In this video, we're going to talk about how you can create an upsell block using the Checkout Wiz app. So to start creating an upsell block, what you have to do is click Create Block. We have multiple different options in terms of design. So we have the default vertical, checkbox vertical, which is ideal if the customer only gets to add one of the products, like maybe a gift box or a greeting card. A bold vertical, which can be used to upsell a hero product where you can give description on that product within the product section, and a default horizontal where the products are listed in a horizontal way. All the templates have an option to add a heading and a subheading. And for now, we're going to select the default vertical design. I'm going to create an upsell block. So you can give the upsell block a name. And to choose which products to upsell, we have three different options. You either let Shopify recommend the complementary products based on their own algorithm. You can choose which product to base their recommendations on: the first line item, last line item, most expensive or least expensive, and how many of these products you need to show in this field over here. Another option that you have is to select the upsell item that you want to show at the checkout, and you can browse the products that you want to upsell in by just selecting the products from this section right here. The last option that we have is to upsell based on already existing items in the cart. So you can upsell the most expensive item on the cart or the least expensive item on the cart, and you can also choose how many of these you want to show. So what this does is basically, if you add two over here, you are going to be upselling two most least expensive items in the cart, and you can just make that most expensive. So you'll be upselling the two most expensive item in the cart. So this can be used in a way where you say, add one more of this product and get 50% off in case it's a high value product. And after this, you can choose how many upsell products the customer can add from their checkout. So if you leave this blank, the customer can add unlimited products using the checkout blocks, but you can also define that you only want the customer to add one or two of these products in case you're offering discounts and don't want the customer to misuse that. So once you select what product is to be upsold at your checkout, you can choose when to show your checkout. So we have the display rules here, which if you don't set any display rules, the upsell block will be shown to all the customers, but you can add the rules based on different settings that we have. It can either be products in the cart, if it contains certain products from a collection, the cart total, if it exceeds a certain value, the cart currency, if the customer is ordering from a different country and the currency is different, you can have that. If a customer is using a specific discount code and you want to upsell another product, that also can be done. And we have cart attributes, customer tag, and UTM, which is basically advanced features where you can show the upsell block based on customer tags or the campaign that they are coming from. And currently, I'm just not adding any display rules. And once that is set, all you have to do is take the upsell block live. To take the upsell block live, you have to give your upsell block a location. So for now, I'm just putting it 1. This is our upsell block location. And then you go to your settings and you select checkout, where in your live checkout, you can add a block, and we have the checkout upsell block over here. So you just add that block, give the same location value that you had given back in the app, and hit save. So that's essentially how you take the checkout live on your store. And you can drag and drop the block based on where you want to show it. So this is right on top of the contact section. If you want it in the order summary right above all the products that are listed, you can do that there also, or even below where the discount sections are or where the order total is, you can also show them there. So you can just decide where to show it and save the block. And that's essentially how you take the block live. There are some advanced settings and customizations that you can do, such as discounts. So you can enable discounts for that specific upsell products. You can have a fixed discount, a percentage discount, or even a free shipping discount. You can set a minimum cart value for that discount to be active and the percentage that you want the discount. Like you can give a 20% discount, you can give a $20 discount, depending on what you want. You can apply the discount to the total cart or the upsell product only. And you can also change the discount codes over here. Then we have a certain display settings where you can show the original compare at price, show variants as individual products, limit the number of products to be shown in one page before the pagination appears. So we also have pagination. So if you have more than 3 products in the pagination, where it will automatically be applied. So you can choose how many products you'd like to show per page. And several customization option, depending on what you set in your branding customization, that's the color that we will pick up. You can have the product label style, price label style, block title, text alignment, which is the heading text and the subheading text. The add button, where we have different colors. These colors are basically based on the colors that you set in your branding customization. And secondary and primary type is essentially an outline button, and primary is basically a filled button. So this will have the outline on there, and this will have be a filled button. And similarly, even the quantity stepper, you have different options to change the color and the style of that buttons over there. And obviously, we support multi-language, so you can just choose which language you want to edit, and you can change the title, subtitle, add button, quantity, all the text that you see on the app, you can change it over here. In case you choose to add descriptions on inside products, you just have to choose some products over here. And what does happen is in the language section, we have the description section right here. So you can add a description on that product depending on what you want to say. So this is essentially how you set up the upsell block. I hope this helps. Thank you.